the MacBook Air 8GB. It's just the standard one with the 256 SSD drive. And this is all that comes in the box, guys, which is great because this is all that you need. The charging block, the charging cord, and the MacBook, which I haven't even set up yet. But I love about this thing already, and I had the MacBook Pro, which after 7 years died. I love how this lip tapers down as opposed to the MacBook Pro is like very blocky across the top, which is so nice because when you're typing after a while, that like the MacBook Pro being up like that just makes it a little uncomfortable. And already love this. This charger is literally half the size of the MacBook Pro charger is like that, which meant every time I plugged it in the wall, it was like falling out all the time. I mean, for 7 years, like literally a daily nuisance. So I have, like I said, I haven't set it up. I literally just turned it on. There you go. There's no touch bar on this one, which is perfectly fine by me because I never used it even though it was on my other computer. So the speakers are over here on the side and you have this nice big trackpad. Already just like how this area is sloped down. I can already tell just in the way I'm having to like not articulate my hand up here. Actual visible screen area is 11 inches across, 7 inches high, it's 10.5 inches across, roughly 4 inches deep. The trackpad is 4.5 inches, roughly 3.25 inches. I mean, right out of the box, I'm super thrilled with this. So I'm gonna go play with it and use it for about a week and then I'll come back and do a review. And this is my setup. It has a little stand, which I did a review on. And then this is the Magic Bridge with the keyboard and trackpad. But let me get all of that out of the way. I love this device. And I'm gonna go get my other one here in a second and show you some things. But this thing is as fast or faster with this M1 chip in it than my last one. It has literally half of everything, half the RAM, half the memory, and it's still twice as fast. The display, I don't know if you can see that. It is beautiful, it's crisp, the sound is crisp, the battery life is excellent, it's lightweight, which I love. So let me go get the other one. It's like a tech junkyard in here. You can see on the Pro, it's square all the way down. It doesn't kind of slant down, which because I did work directly on this, that used to really irritate my wrists. But let me just show you the difference in size. So this is the 16-inch, this is the 13-inch. But I don't know, I'm trying to turn them so y'all can see that this keyboard is literally, do y'all see that? The exact same size. So the keyboard is the exact same size. The trackpad is a little bit smaller, but I don't care because I'm not working on here directly. Biggest difference is the screen size is definitely bigger on the Pro. Not so much, it doesn't really bother me. I don't even notice it. This is bigger, don't care. And it always had this magic bar or whatever it's called. Never used it, couldn't care less about it. That's the difference in size. This is the MacBook Pro, like late 2015. This is the MacBook Air with the M1 chip. I am so happy with this device. So this is what they look like this. Because at first I was like, oh, you know, I can't downgrade to a 13-inch because it's gonna feel so tiny. It doesn't. What it feels like it's something I wanna work with because I can pick it up, grab it, you know, go sit somewhere, take care of something real quick, as opposed to this giant brick, which literally weighs twice as much. So I'm in love with this device. I cannot imagine that you would give this to anybody and they wouldn't love it. It's fantastic. I'm so happy with this purchase. Hope you guys found that helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.